In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sew a professional double welt pocket with a flap, a classic tailoring detail often used in blazers and jackets. Follow each step carefully and you'll achieve a clean, precise result worthy of high-end garment construction. Place the flap and flap lining right sides together, align side and lower edges and pin. Stitch around 3 sides with a 7mm seam allowance. Trim corners, then grade and reduce curved seam allowance to 3mm. Turn the flap right side out, carefully shape the corners and press. Baste along the edge to secure shape, then press again and remove basting stitches. Fold the upper welt lengthwise, round sides together and press. Using the pattern, mark the finished welt white on the one side. This becomes your stitching reference line. Place the upper welt wrong side down onto the right side of the flap, aligning top edge and side marks. Stitch exactly along the marked line. On the garment front, clearly mark pocket outline, center line, upper and lower welt placement lines. Use the pattern for accuracy. Place the flap with attached upper welt onto the garment front, right sides together. Align the welt seam with the upper pocket marking line. Pin and stitch exactly in the seam line within the marked rectangle. Place the outer pocket bag piece over the flap, right sides together. Align notches and edges, pin securely. From the wrong side, stitch exactly along the same seam line used to attach the flap. Fold and press the lower welt. Mark the finished welt on one side, this is your stitching line. Place the lower welt to garment front, aligning with lower pocket marking. Stitch precisely along the marked line within the pocket rectangle. Important: upper and lower welts must be equal in finished width. The distance between stitching lines equals total welt width. Place the inner pocket back over the lower welt, right sides together. Align edges and pin. From the wrong side, stitch exactly along the welt attachment seam. Cut the pocket opening from the wrong side. Cut through center line and carefully clip into corners diagonally. Stopping close to stitching, do not cut through seams. Turn all pocket pieces to the wrong side through the opening. Smooth and press seams, distributing allowance away from opening. Bring upper and lower welt together so they can meet precisely. Baste in place using a catch stitch or secure hand stitch. Tuck all corners neatly to the inside. Secure triangular seam allowance at pocket ends to the welt and pocket bag. Top stitch through all layers along the vertical pocket ends, perpendicular to welt stitching lines. Align pocket bag edges. Stitch side and bottom seams with 1 cm seam allowance. Press the finished pocket carefully. Leave basting stitches in place until garment completion. Your double welt pocket with flap is now complete, with crisp welts, secure corners, and a neatly finished pocket bag. This refined technique adds a polished, professional touch to any tailored garment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more professional sewing and tailoring tutorials.